Imagine your child saying, "I'm bored," and actually finding something to do instead of immediately asking for a screen. Picture them choosing to draw, build, or create without you suggesting it. This transformation from screen-dependent to creatively independent can happen in just 14 days with the right approach. This isn't about eliminating screens forever. It's about breaking the automatic connection between boredom and digital entertainment. By day 14, your child will have rediscovered their natural creativity and developed genuine confidence in their ability to entertain themselves. Days 1 through 3 focus on discovery. This is when you remove screens from common areas and introduce what I call boredom baskets. Collections of simple materials placed strategically around your home. Fill them with paper, colored pencils, Play-Doh, building blocks, and books. Don't announce these dramatically, simply make them available and wait. And during these first few days, expect resistance. Your child will likely ask for screens frequently and may even say they hate the new activities. This is completely normal. Their brain is looking for the instant gratification it's accustomed to. Stay calm and redirect. Screens aren't available right now. I wonder what you'll discover in that basket over there. Days 4 through 6 are about gentle guidance. This is when you start offering specific suggestions rather than just redirecting. I noticed you seemed interested in those building blocks yesterday. Want to see if you can build something taller than you? Or, these art supplies are calling your name. What do you think wants to be created today? The key during this phase is to stay nearby without hovering. Your presence provides security while they explore, but don't feel pressure to entertain them. Let natural curiosity emerge. Many children rediscover activities they'd forgotten they enjoyed during this phase. Days 7 through 9 mark the breakthrough period. This is typically when you'll see the first genuine spark of independent play. Your child might pick up materials without prompting or become absorbed in an activity for longer periods. Celebrate these moments internally, but don't make a big fuss that might make them self-conscious. Start introducing slightly more complex materials during this phase. Building sets with more pieces, art supplies with different textures, or books that are just slightly above their current reading level. The goal is to provide gentle challenges that build confidence. Days 10 through 12 are about expansion. Your child should now be showing signs of independent entertainment. This is when you can start stepping back further and letting them problem-solve minor frustrations on their own. If they say they don't know what to draw, resist immediately offering suggestions. Take a minute to think about it. Your brain will come up with something. Introduce collaborative projects during this phase. Start a family puzzle, begin a building project that takes multiple days, or create an ongoing art installation. These activities bridge the gap between guided and independent play while building excitement for non-screen activities. Days 13 and 14 focus on solidifying independence. By now, your child should be naturally gravitating toward creative activities when they feel bored. They might even surprise you by choosing hands-on activities over screens when both are available. Use these final days to establish sustainable systems. Create designated spaces for ongoing projects. Set up a simple rotation of materials so novelty remains high. Help your child recognize their own creative process by asking questions like, "What made that project so satisfying for you?" Throughout all 14 days, document the journey subtly. Take photos of their creations, note moments of deep focus, and observe how their body language changes during creative activities. This evidence will be invaluable during future challenging moments. Remember that every child's timeline is different. Some may show signs of independence by day 5, while others need the full 14 days or even longer. Sensitive children often need more time, while naturally creative children may transition more quickly. The most important factor in success is your own patience and consistency. There will be moments when giving into screen requests feels easier than maintaining boundaries. These moments are exactly when the transformation happens, when your child's brain realizes that other options truly are available and satisfying. By day 14, you won't have a perfect child who never wants screen time. What you'll have is a child who knows they're capable of entertaining themselves, who has rediscovered the satisfaction of creating something with their own hands, and who approaches boredom as an opportunity rather than a crisis. This 14-day journey doesn't just change your child's relationship with screens, it rebuilds their confidence in their own creativity and problem-solving abilities. These are gifts that will serve them throughout their entire lives, long after the specific activities change. The transformation from screen-dependent to creatively independent is one of the most rewarding changes you can facilitate as a parent. Trust the process, stay consistent, and prepare to be amazed by what your child creates when their natural creativity is given room to flourish. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.